Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a feed on Bluesky. In the search bar, type in skyfeed and hit enter. Now, click on skyfeed.apps link and it is going to show you this page where you'll have to just enter your username and click on this small icon just after app password. Here, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to click on add app password. Now, enter your app password and click on create app password. After you click on create app password, it is going to show you this page that will show you your app password. Now you can copy this, click on done, go back to Skyfeed, enter the app password and click on continue. Now this will open up this page where you can see you have this feed builder option at the left corner of the screen. Now when you click on this feed builder, it will show you this create your first feed link. So click on create first feed and it will show you this page. Now, in order to create a custom feed, you'll have to just enter your feed name here, then click on add block. After this, you'll have to choose the input where you are searching from in the custom feed. You can also navigate here, click on this and choose the time duration. Now, if you want to remove something from your feed, you can choose whether it is item, image, like, reply or anything else. Select it, then click the button to remove it and that specific thing from your feed will be removed. Now, in the regex section, you can see it's searching for hello world. You'll have to basically enter the word you're searching for in your feed. So I will type in, for example, philosophy. Now, I will have to choose the target, whether it is post text, image, alt text or a link. So I want to search for the word philosophy in post text. So I will choose post text. Now you can invert this. You can make this case sensitive or anything you want. After this, you will see that exact feed preview at the right side of the screen. As you can see, I'm able to see this feed preview for my Bluesky social. Now you can click on the publish feed button here, add a description, choose the license, then click on publish. So that's a simple way to make a feed on Bluesky. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.